Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 108 top with the Roland Garros styling. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got a full service history with Howard's and is free to tax. Some of the features include this retractable fabric roof, 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You also get a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and also a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done 22,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.